Today we're going to be installing a Gomexus handle on my new Shimano Vanford. This is the cork handle. Looks pretty cool. I like the size of it. The reel that I'm going to be putting it on actually has a T handle, and I am not a fan of the T handle myself, so we're going to switch it out for this one and see how it goes. So we got a little tool. Sweet. This is the reel. It's been out for a while. I just wanted a new spinning reel, and I actually ordered this one from Japan and got a pretty decent deal on it. It's the C3000 HG, so hopefully this handle should fit on here. See, this is the T handle I'm talking about that I just don't really like. The reel itself. One of the first things you have to do is pop this little cover off of here. I think some of the other Shimano reels with similar handle actually have like little screws, but this one just pops right off, and then there's a Phillips head inside the handle. That comes right off, and there's actually, I thought this was going to be a bushing, but there's actually a bearing on there already. I guess we'll just leave that bearing there. So like I said, this has its own bearing on there, but it instructs you to take it off, install one of these little washers, and put the bearing back on. The heck? There you go. Then install the handle. Goes all the way down, and then gives you this little like star key looking tool to take the little cap off. I've seen the other videos on the other Gomexus handles are like they're like a metal kind of cool looking handle, but they're more just like a ball shape. I found these and I really like cork, so I figured I'd give it a shot and see how it turns out. So, and then take one of their bearings, drop that bad boy in there, get it on to lay on the shaft. Wait, what? Okay, there it goes. And then somehow, I don't want to forget the Loctite. I've been told that if you don't put a little dab of Loctite on there, oh goodness, that's way more than a little dab. You can tell I don't use Loctite. It tells you to shake well, and for good reason. Let's give this another shot. But what I was saying before it just went everywhere is that I'm told if you don't put a little bit of Loctite on here, that the screw will back out when you're trying to reel, and we don't want that. So. God dang it. that was awesome. First try and everything, and then it didn't fit on there super snug. So let's see what happens. That's better. Still has like just a little bit of room, but like not too much play. I had a little too much for my liking. And there we go. And then take this bad boy, put it back on there. Get the little tool. Tighten her on up. Snug it on up, but nothing crazy. Check that bad boy out. There we go. I think I'm really gonna like that. Now I just gotta spool it up. All right, hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.